What's good with chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Welcome back to day 12 of Vlogmas. We are going to make another skull cap beanie with this fleece fabric. I thought this fabric was really cool to make a fleece with, and I think I want to make matching jeans to it. So I always feel like I always do like a matching set. We're going to do it all in one. We are going to make some matching jeans. Well, we're going to put this on some jeans and then we're going to make a beanie. Or should I do a beanie and a hoodie? Ooh, I wish you guys can reply live so I can read them. But let me know what you guys think that I should do or should have done. So let's just get straight into it. I have my fabric that I want to use, and I also have this pattern. If I can find his @ I'm going to put his @ right here on the screen. If not, I'm so sorry. But we're just going to get straight into the video.
It was at this moment that he knew.
I think I already fucked up. I didn't leave no seam alone. All right, yeah, so we already hemmed it up. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that, but before we even sew it all together, we are gonna add some embroidery, just because, like I said, I was gonna do it last hat. I think in the middle of a video I ended up not doing it, but I want to show you guys how I'm gonna embroider. I think I'm not gonna put C-Mac. I usually put like C-Mac on everything that I embroider. I think I'm actually gonna go for the word underdog, because that's what I labeled myself, as an underdog or like a black sheep. But underdog sounds better than a black sheep. So anyways, my biggest thing is I didn't know what color I wanted to do the stitch, because I was kind of going to go for white, but I also don't want the white to kind of blend in. So should I do a color that's going to pop, or should I keep it gray, white, black? Black would kind of keep it all neutral. I think I'm going to go black. I'm going to go black. Part of me wants to go red, but again, I feel like I do red for everything, so I'm not going to do red. We're going to go black. I think black will look best. So right now I am threading my bobbin before I actually start embroidering. All right, yeah, so on my embroidery machine, I'm gonna create my wording. So I am just gonna go ahead and press the font, and I am going to pick what I want. I'm not sure if I just want to outline or should I just go something bold. Let's just go outline, and we are going to put what we want. That might be too squished together. What I'm going to do, I'm not sure if I like the way that looks, so I might change the font to like a more bolder font. Yeah, like that. So I'm guessing that's how I'm gonna want it, but I am going to loop my machine and then kind of, I guess, rotate this so it's facing the correct way of how I want it. On my hats, I am going to go ahead and hoop my loop. I'm gonna loop my hoop, whatever it's called. I'm gonna add some stabilizer and we're gonna get this rolling. So we got how I want it, and it's actually performing, like showing you me on the area where I want it. So now that I got this all done, now I'm going to just let it rip. Got the wording statement piece on there. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and close it all up. So this is what it's looking like. I'm about to put my hair down and try it on for you guys, but I feel like this came out super cute. I mean, this is what it's looking like. So if you don't know, I added a bigger seam allowance on this one than I did on my first one that I've done at the earlier of this month. And I think it fits so much nicer. It's a little bit looser than the other one that I made. So I think I am going to make custom jeans that match this, but it is going to be in a different video. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button, turn on that post bell notification. As always, make sure to comment down below what you guys would like to see and stay positive. You know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.